Josh and Jenny here. Josh is showing me how to eat haystack.
Yeah. There are like lots of different kinds of haystack, but this is ours.
Nice. So you get some chips, and we get some chips here too.
Yeah. And then like some sort of bean mix, or beans, whatever you have for beans. So this is like chili that Jenny made.
Oh, homemade chili.
And rice.
And rice. Some chili.
Yeah, rice.
Some rice.
And then cheese. And then after that, like that's kind of like what I start with. And then you just put like whatever vegetables you want.
Whatever vegetables.
And then after like the vegetables.
Vegetable.
Then you just put like whatever sauces you want, like kind of like sour cream or taco sauce, or if you have guacamole. We just have avocados.
Wow, avocados.
So, yeah.
Thank you. That's good. There's a cucumber.
Oh, okay, that's nice. It's calmer.
I don't think it's calm. I'm pretty sure it's very hard.
And then you say the sauce spicy too. Is that super spicy?
No, this is just taco sauce.
This is
not
pretty
spicy.
mild.
And then do you just mix them?
Yeah, so if you want to mix it, you can. If you just want to like eat it, like that's how I usually do it. It doesn't really matter.
Oh, nice.
Jenny mixes it.
Nice. Can you get
As
some
long as they make
lemon?
it to your mouth.
Yeah, exactly.
lemon? You know?
There are no real rules with this. Kind of like hot pot. Whatever
Nice.
you
Okay.
want, you should do.
Yeah. No, I need a utensil. Mix them up. Oh, it's good. Very Mexican.
And then you can add whatever you want to make it taste the way you want it to.
I like it.
Exactly.
Like if you want more creamy, more sour cream.
I always like really like wet, saucy kind of what do you call it? Like bowl. But yeah, it genuinely doesn't matter.
Nice. Good. Any first time shooting Nerf gun? Oh, very close, very close.
Like just to the
Just to the left of it. And then reload, you pull this back. All the way back. And then put it forward. Push it forward. That's good. Let's load it. Okay. Okay. Oh, hit! Is that you, Jenny?
Yeah.
Nice. Good shot.
That's not what I intended.
Oh, is that what you intended? You got something. Reload. Nice shot, Josh. Oh, two bird. Wow, Jenny. Natural. Now you can try shooting the top.
It's coming up from here.
Yeah, coming out with here. Where else is it gonna come from?
I don't know.
You look through this to aim. Oh, you shot the Star Wars guy. Reload. Pull this back to reload. All the way back, and then push it forward. Yep. Oh, you shoot him again! Stop shooting! Oh, stop shooting KK slider. That's not a target. It's like a shooting range here. It's awesome. Whoa! Someone got the kid. Shoot that Nerf target over there. Try to make it light up. Oh, you shot! You shot it. Nice. Good shot. Good stress relief, right, Stina?
No, it's very hard to hold. Oh, so you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to pull this back though.
It's really hard to. How do you?
This one.
Oh! Good shot, Stina. Straight at the target.
Didn't you take out KK slider?
No. Why are you aiming the gun at my face, Stina? Gonna bruise up tomorrow. Oh, you hit it, but you didn't. It didn't light up. Top one only. Oh, that's pretty good. That's good. That is good. You did it. That was good. On the way falling down, it hit.
Yeah, the can's like hit.
The can's crooked. Shoot Josh in the butt. All right, Josh, set it back up for me. Going for the top 2 layer. Oh! I hit the middle bottom one. Knocked the other two off. Right in the middle. Nice, nice, nice. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That was good. That was actually... Nice. Sniped it right off. Oh.
Alright, middle.
Middle.
Is that
Middle.
it?
Yeah, middle. Middle. Go for
Is that
middle.
in here? Oh, no,
I think you kind of got it. Oh, double shot. Shotgun there. Nice. Good aim. Nice aim. Target practice. Oh, you didn't load again. Yeah. Oh, you didn't cock it all the way. It's gonna shoot 2
This
bullets.
thing doesn't help, right?
It helped me. I like it there.
In this
but-
position?
Yeah, you can move it any position you want.
我们下礼拜
Oh, nice shot, Josh. Saw that.
我们可以带一些 cracker
Yeah. That's okay. Yeah.
cheese with the
Oh. Nice. This is very accurate. This gun's very accurate. Both of these are super accurate. Yeah. Oh yeah. While they shoot, I'm gonna shoot them in the back. Ooh.
Oh, we should bring a cheese
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have it
Oh, the bullet bounced so far.
a simple over here. We're not fancy enough to move it.
Playing Hako Onna, the very scary Japanese scary game. Also some dexterity also. She's gonna make some noise and that'll come out.
I was gonna say, I think that's like, probably the only way it would work.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
you're Cena's turn. So I'm the Hako Onna, the box girl, who they're the visitor. I'm trying to kill all of them. They're trying to either kill me,
Should I open?
exit, escape,
I think they
or bury me.
moved. I'm going to open a box.
Slam. No one gets out, no one alive. Welcome to my home. None will escape.
Look, I got one of the diary.
Oh, diary? Okay, nice. Number 2. I will reach you. During this movement, the Hako Onna may move twice. Oh, wait if I get that special power. Okay. The ghosts win. Lauren, the first victim, Jenny, the second victim. They joined the ghost group. And I made it impossible to win. Thanks to Jenny and Lauren's help.
Yeah. I didn't remember which one.
Not
it was.
willingly.
Yeah, not willingly.
I know the combination.
But Jenny did get 5 stack over there, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's
nice, nice.
1, 2,
One by not doing shit.
Combination one.
Eyes, close your eye, and open your eyes. Game over. That's what it's supposed to do. So funny.
It's actually
You
kinda
die.
creepy.
That's